Hello and welcome everyone. Welcome to AgriPorilla. In this video, I will discuss BSc Agriculture second semester, the examination paper Fundamentals of Crop Physiology. So let's start the video. And in this video, I will discuss the correct answers of the questions and examination paper. So our first question is PFR phytochrome is involved in. So in this question, right answer is option number A, photoperiodism. Next question 2. In anaerobic respiration, glucose is not break down into. So in this questions, the right answer is option number B, water. Next, lycopene are dash plastid. So right answer is red color. So lycopene are red color in plastid. Next, when a cell, when a plant cell is placed in hypertonic solution, then cell-plasmolysis. Option number B is correct. Next, movement of particle of matter from lower concentration to higher concentration through a semi-permeable membrane is known as. So right answer is option number D, osmotic pressure. Then the sixth number question is to measure potential energy in water and drives the movement of water through plant is called. So right answer is answer number C, metric potential. Next question, the water remaining in a soil after it has been thoroughly saturated and allowed to drain freely, usually of 1 to day in known as. So its right answer is option number C, field capacity. Next, xylem consists of tracheids, vessels and xylem parenchyma, of which the first two thick wall due to the deposition of. So in this question right answer is option number B, pactic acid. Next, Granier and Allard discovered dash photoperiodism 1920. Next, the term root pressure is coined by. So right answer is option number C, Stephen Hales. Next question, the loss of water from the living tissue of the plant of the vapor is known as transpiration. Option number B is correct. Next, the minute process, the minute pores of epithelial shape surrounded by two specialized epidermal cells known as guard cell. Next, the criteria of essentiality of nutrients given by Arnon and Stewart, the year of 1939. Next, hand and chicken disorder is due to deficiency of. So right answer is option number C, boron. Next, which one of the sulfur containing amino acid? So right answer is option number C, methionine. Next, move another phase. Birds and twists with downward curling of the leaf margins and downward hooking of leaf tips is deficiency symptom of calcium. Option number A is correct. Next, white bud of maize is nutritional deficiency disease due to zinc. Option number C is correct. Next, the carrier concept theory was proposed by. So option number A is correct, hornets. Next, yellowing leaves, chlorotic between veins, downward curling of tips, cracking of leaves, dieback of tips, no flowering roots, stunted yellowing of drying of leaves, thickening of leaf midway, and brown discoloration of internal tissue, rooting of crown and deficiency symptom of. So in this all several disorder, the right answer is option number A, boron. Boron is caused the above the in this disorders. Next, soiling of the seed in the field laboratory is called as imbibition. Next, stomata open in night and closely during day is this right answer is succulents. Next, in an element which play an important role in stomata regulation is. So right answer is option number B, potassium. Next, guttation takes place through. So right answer is option number C, hydrozodes. Next, repeated detraction of root and shoot tips occur due to deficiency of. Option number A is correct, calcium. Next, which element is essential of IAA synthesis, indole acetic acid synthesis? So right answer is option number A, zinc. Next, to do freshly exported surface of many fruits and vegetables become drank. So in this questions, the right answer is not found myself. So you comment down. Next, the element of common of nucleic acid phospholipids are ATP, ADP, NADP is zinc. Option number B is correct. Next, which of the following can be used as an indicator of water state? So the this right answer is, you comment down in this comment box. Next, to reduce leaf area potential just before sunrise can authenticate, the option number is D is correct. All of the above mean availability of soil water, leaf aging and root pressure. Next, an element content with the photolysis of water during light reaction of photosynthesis is called magnesium. Next, loss of chlorophyll turn the leaves green to yellow is known as chlorosis. Loss of chlorophyll, loss of chlorophyll turn the leaves green is yellow is due to chlorosis. Next, active transport of element across the cell membrane require this right answer is, comment down in the comment box. Molybdenum is a component of, so right answer is option C, phosphorylase. Next, leg hemoglobin protected the activity of nitrogenase. Option number B is correct. The pressure of nicotinamide of IAA is tryptophan. The pressure of nicotinamide of and IAA is tryptophan. Next, which color of light is absorbed maximum photosynthesis? So right answer is option number A, B. Next, reactivity of oxygen species are key signaling molecules produced in response to, so right answer is option number C, A and B both, biotic states and abiotic states. Next, in cyclic flow, the election during photosynthesis, the election from free oxidants is accepted by photoplastocytin. Next, the ferricidin is reduce the ferricosidin by photolysis of water is called as Hill reaction. Next, the assimilatory power in photosynthesis are ATP. The assimilatory power in photosynthesis is ATP. Next, ferritoxin is a component of, so option number is PS1. Ferritoxin is a component of PS1. Next, the first stable compound formed during photosynthesis is superplant is 3-PGA. Option number B is correct. Next, the availability of plant to grow complete their life cycle to a medium that contains high stable salt is known as, so option number A is correct, tolerance. Next, Crane's type of anatomy is found in which leaves? So option number B is correct, C4 plant. Next, CO2 acceptor in sugarcane is, so CO2 acceptor of sugarcane is phosphoenol pyruvic acid. Next question. The salt tolerant crop sustain their life cycle by maintaining, so right answer is option number so this option is comment down in the comment box. Next, under drought salt contents plants accumulate more in this two question, answer is not found. Next, in plant the radiant energy of stored in the form of energy chemical energy as glucose. Next, H and Slake cycle is not found in the option is not found. Substrate of photophotoplatism is glycolate. Next, Krebs cycle started with the formation of 6 carbon compound from a reaction in between